Hello folks, it was first reported about a month ago that Samsung was artificially slowing down some of its devices, including the new Galaxy S22 series. It was a software, Samsung's games optimization service, that throttled both the CPU and GPU performance rather aggressively. GOS wasn't just throttling games, it restricted performance for over 10,000 apps, including but not limited to TikTok, Netflix and Instagram. What it didn't throttle were benchmarking apps, thereby providing performance figures that weren't representative of the actual performance. This controversy seems to have caused the Galaxy S22 sales to take a hit in South Korea. Customers didn't like what Samsung was doing here for two reasons. Firstly, it wasn't made clear to them that GOS was throttling the device's performance and that it wasn't possible to disable GOS even if users wanted to. Samsung did address this later on by releasing an update that makes it possible to disable GOS. However, it seems that customers in South Korea aren't too happy about this situation. The Korea Times reports that Samsung's Korea partners have had to significantly amp up the subsidies to keep sales from falling. Industry watchers believe that Samsung and its Korea partners have decided to increase the amount of subsidies on offer to overcome the decline in sales of the Galaxy S22 series. An official at a local mobile carrier is quoted as saying that there is a view that GOS issue adversely affects the sales of the S22. But to be honest, I don't think it's the reason. Most people who buy smartphones buy what's new, cool and known to them. I'm pretty sure 95% of Samsung phones users have never heard about this fiasco. Most users don't know about GOS. I guess the lack of a microSD slot, no charger in the box, no jack could affect sales much more than GOS, which by the way might not be such a bad thing, as it extends battery life. Plus, the fact that phones have become so good recently, there is no point buying a new model every year. The update cycle has increased all around the world. People tend to hold on to their devices a lot longer. But what do you think, guys? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, good luck to everyone.